Today we have day 7 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this wonderful Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design, I have to slice it, I have to print it, I have to film it, I have to edit it, and then I have to upload it daily for this month of October. Any of these Halloween themed prints have to be something horror related, prop related, or just pretty much Halloween decorations that you could use as that. Today we have the Predator face wall mount. Pretty cool little design that I found, definitely very highly detailed, and really excited to get into this print. But we have to speed things up here on the channel as we are going day by day and losing little by little of time, and would love to be more detailed, but we will be getting to that in the coming weeks on the channel with much more detailed info level, what we print on, and stuff like that when it comes to our industrial grade 3D printers. On that note, if you guys are interested in that kind of printing, which is massive, there's a link in the description box below for industrial grade 3D printers, extruders, as well as software. And if you would like to contact us about any large scale prints, that is all down in the link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this video. And what do you guys think? Not too bad, right? Really, really detailed, nice sized Predator face wall mount, good sized thing. You honestly could probably just hold your keys here on these right there, just have it hung up. And also the infill was done really thick on the back, but with it being a wall mount, it doesn't really need to be taken out. You can just kind of leave that there. It really doesn't serve a purpose to take it out unless you wanted it to be hollowed. But not too bad. Good little size. I almost dropped it. Print right there. All in all, this challenge has proven to be very fun and a little bit challenging. But it's all to figure out what kind of content you guys would like to see, what will hit, what will miss when it comes to this stuff, and get us prepared to print something even larger. You know, we can print stuff literally so much bigger than this. I've literally seen just massive things here, and I can't wait to show you guys what we can do, because there are some projects we can't really let out there, but there are other projects that we can showcase. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do me a big old favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and join us back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time for another video.